We have new developments in the case involving a motorist who claims he was assaulted by state police troopers during a traffic stop in Center County last year. Those troopers testifying in a hearing today, saying they felt bad for the motorist, so they bought him a meal several hours after he was arrested. Gary Sinderson has our update.
What looks to be punches thrown in this video is actually what state police term compliance strikes. That was part of the testimony in Center County Court Tuesday and a hearing for Derek Ramey, the man who received the strikes. State troopers testified they followed their training after initially attempting to pull Ramey over on Interstate 80 last December for allegedly following a tractor trailer too closely. Police dash cam video was played in court. It didn't show Ramey tailgating, but it did show what police say is a nearly 10-minute high-speed chase that ensued when Ramey wouldn't stop. When he did stop outside of Milesburg, police testified they initially wanted Ramey to voluntarily exit his vehicle. Except when a state police sergeant pulled in front of Ramey's vehicle, a trooper testified they had to go to Plan B, because if there was gunfire, the state police could be caught in a crossfire. Plan B was this: physically removing Ramey from his vehicle. One trooper admitted probably punching compliance striking Ramey 6 times, claiming he initially didn't see Ramey was restrained by a seatbelt. Ramey was taken to a hospital for a blood draw. Police say he admits to using cocaine while driving. Then Ramey was taken to the county prison. Except prison officials seen an apparently beaten Ramey told police they wouldn't admit him without a further medical evaluation. That's about the time when the same 2 troopers involved in the initial stop testified they decided to buy Ramey a cheeseburger and a drink. The hearing was on a motion filed by Ramey's attorney challenging whether police had enough probable cause to make the initial traffic stop. When Ramey didn't show up at the start of the hearing, his attorney said Ramey claimed he was stuck in traffic in Altoona. When an offer was made for state police to help expedite getting him to court, Ramey's attorney simply replied, quote, "No way, not interested," unquote. In Center County, Gary Sinderson.
Meanwhile, Derek Ramey is back in the Center County prison after a separate bail hearing. A judge increased his bail to $100,000 from the previous $50,000. Prosecutors presented new evidence on Ramey's extensive criminal history in Tennessee and Mississippi, dating back over 2 decades. In increasing his bail, Center County Judge Julia Rader cited Ramey's lack of ties to Pennsylvania and being convicted in 5 previous fleeing or eluding cases.